Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can use BoolXRD software to process your XRD results in 3D platforms in 5 minutes. Let's get started. When you click on the BoolXRD shortcut on your desktop, a page like this will welcome you. First, we need to read and plot our data. You will click on Read and Plot and it will ask for the Excel format of our HKL values. You will click on OK, find our XRD files. I will click on HKL and click Open. Next, it will ask for the raw XRD data. We will say OK, also find this one, and XRD in Excel form. So the destination folder does not matter for our HKL and XRD data. Next, you will see that on the left window, we have our original XRD data plotted in the form of angle 2 theta versus intensity. And in this plot, you can select your peaks by clicking on them to find where they correspond to in terms of the 2 theta values, just like this. And more excitingly, on the right window of this page, you see that you can rotate, you can zoom in and zoom out into the 3D plotted cubic cell structure. The transparency of the HKL valued planes are proportional with the intensity values that are taken from our HKL value data. But this is in the initial form. If you like, you can use the switch here from intensity into slider to change the plane opacity in any way that you want by using this slider. For example, we can make it completely opaque or completely transparent or with values in the middle. And you can see that all the Miller indices of the HKL values are color coded in this legend, and they can be found very easily. Next, you will see that we can make any motion that we like with the plot on the right. And in addition, those data can be manipulated. For example, I can change the 6 into 1, and as I change it, you will see that the data will be renewed immediately and it will be replotted. For example, it was 1. Now let's make it back into 6. And the turquoise plane shifted, as you can see, since we have changed its Miller indices of k. Similarly, the lattice sizes can be changed. For example, A can be made into 5. And when we make it 5, you can see that the x-axis now elongates up to 5. The B can be made 3. And if we like, we can make this one 2. Therefore, ABC lattice sizes can also be modified. In addition to this, the crystal structure can be made in 3 different forms: simple cubic, body-centered cubic, and face-centered cubic. For example, this is the body-centered cubic form, with an atom also in the center of the cubic cell. In addition, we can switch it to face-centered cubic as well. Therefore, we can have all the crystal orientations of atoms. Moreover, we can increase the atomic size by using this slider at the top, and we can obtain different atomic sizes. By this way, you can also see the amount of space that is left in the vacant size. In hexagonal sites, in tetragonal sites, all the vacant sites can be seen for interstitial doping, which might be very useful if you are working with material science. Now I'll make it into a smaller form, just like this. Also, we can convert our colors and intensities back to the intensity form by using this switch again to make them proportional with the intensity values grabbed from the HKL files. So far, this is all about BoolXRD. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next video.